Is Glescia.com a total scam, or just another struggling online shop? Let's get right to it. If you're thinking of grabbing a deal from Glescia in 2026, here's what you need to know. First, the red flags are hard to ignore. Glescia presents itself as a trendy fashion and lifestyle store, but when I dig deeper, things get sketchy fast. On Trustpilot, and with lookalike sites like Glescias.com, there's a pattern. People complain about unresponsive customer service, tracking numbers that go nowhere, and a ton of frustration when trying to get refunds. Some even had to call their bank just to stop more charges. Transparency? Pretty much zero. There's barely any info about who owns the company, where they're based, or even a reliable way to contact them. Most of the site's content looks, well, copy-pasted. That's a classic move for scammy fashion sites. And if you need help? Good luck. Reports say emails to their support line either get ignored, or you'll only get a robotic, copy-and-paste response. So, what can you do to stay safe? Here are my 3 quick shopping tips for 2026. First, double-check the site's URL and make sure there's a padlock icon. Don't get tricked by a lookalike. Second, never trust reviews on the store's own page. Look for real user opinions on sites like Trustpilot or Reddit. And finally, always use a credit card or PayPal. That way, if things go sideways, you've got buyer protection on your side. Bottom line, right now, Glescia.com is a high-risk bet. If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is.